Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorn in Mario on Switch. This incredible power-up transforms you into Flying Squirrel Mario, giving you the ability to soar through levels. It's not just for fun. Mastering its use is key to uncovering hidden paths and collecting every secret. Let's dive into how to get and effectively use this powerful item. Finding a Acorn can be a game changer, but they are not always easy to spot. Keep an eye out for hidden blocks or specific challenges that might reward you with this rare item. Sometimes, simply completing a level with a certain objective can unlock one. Exploration is your best friend here, so leave no stone unturned.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful for sweeping through Mario's levels, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. Quick recommendation. Just like the Acorn helps you clean up levels, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum can clean up your home. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Once you have a Acorn, using it is straightforward. First, perform a regular jump. While in the air, press and hold the jump button again to initiate a glide. For continuous flight, simply tap the jump button repeatedly. You can control your altitude and direction, making it perfect for navigating tricky sections or reaching high platforms. The Acorn isn't just for getting around. It's a strategic tool. Use it to completely bypass tough enemy encounters or environmental hazards that would normally slow you down. It's also essential for reaching those elusive secret exits and collecting all 3-star coins in levels that seem impossible otherwise. Think smart, fly far.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.